Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you have an admin account and a system restore point. This safeguards you if an update misbehaves. Open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter so you're looking at system hardware. Once Device Manager is open, expand Display Adapters and identify the GPU name and current driver version. This tells you whether to use Windows Update, manufacturer software, or a manual installer. Proceed now to update steps. Now you'll perform the actual update. Right-click the GPU entry, choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically unless you downloaded a specific package. Automatic search is quick for WHQL-certified drivers. Alternatively, open GeForce Experience or Radeon software to get optimized drivers and game-ready patches. These tools also update firmware and profiles. If you downloaded a manual package, choose Browse My Computer and point to the extracted folder. Make sure the driver matches your Finish by restarting your PC so the new driver fully integrates with the kernel. Many files install only on reboot. Once back, open Device Manager to verify the driver date and version, then confirm stability with display settings and a short game or benchmark. If problems appear, use Device Manager to roll back driver or uninstall in safe mode and reinstall the correct package, and if needed, revert to your restore point. These steps resolve most compatibility or performance regressions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.